Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to download the game Sea of Thieves 2024 edition. So what we want to do is go to Google and then type in Sea of Thieves 2024 edition. After you have entered that, then the results come up and we scroll a little bit down to the link to Steam. So enter that website. Once you have entered the website, you can view the videos about this game, check out the screenshots, read some information, and after you have decided to download this game, don't forget to check out the game requirements on the right. Once you have decided to download it, you can add it to your cart, view my cart, and then sign in to purchase. Once you have finished the purchase process, you simply can start playing Sea of Thieves 2024 edition today. Hopefully it was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let us know in the comments which video game you would like to see next. Cheers guys, bye bye.